Oh my god, I swear. Oh my god, guys! That's this bag. The perfect pink bag. I'm here for it. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video and click the hype button down there to hype my videos up so other people and other viewers will be notified of. Now this is a new brand that I have discovered, and he heard me going on and on about pink this year, and I love a man that take actions. Like, he just listens to hear the things that I go on about, and I didn't ask him to get it. He heard me going on and on about it, and he was like, oh my god, why not surprise her? I discovered this brand, La Lage Beaumont. Now this is a heavy mimic of the Hermes bag, the Hermes Kelly, the Hermes bucket in terms of style. When I found this brand, now this brand to 100% leather brand, so they craft their leather. I'm not too sure how they stitch it, like if they've done it by hand or machine, but I am thinking that they do it by hand. And it's a brand that's actually taking momentum now on the market, and as probably you haven't guessed it, oh my god, I swear to you guys. Oh my god. This is the perfect pink bag. Oh my god, this gives off so much Hermes Kelly vibes. I'm sorry guys, my child is in the background having his moments. He's having the time of his life. Babe, darling, mommy's filming, okay? Mommy will see you when she's finished. Do you want mommy to take over the television? Hello, Sky. He hates when I do that. Okay, darling. Anyways. Oh my god, this is very much giving a Kelly moment. Like, how do you call it? Is a Kelly bag? Not mini Kelly. It's a Kelly bag. This is such a pretty bag. Oh my god, I love the color. Like, do you guys not see this? It's so stunning, and it goes so perfectly well with everything else. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually go into Hermes and get a twilly for this bag, because the scarf is going so beautifully well with this bag. Oh my god, this will go so well with this bag. It's so pretty. Oh my god, and I love, listen guys, I am a fanatic for green leather. Yes, we are taking her off because I do love her. I'm not too sure what type of hardware they use. I didn't go too deep in there, but the fact that I saw, like, okay, how I came across this bag, I find it was a mimic of the Kelly. It looks very close to it in terms of style. I love the wide shoulder arm, or the handle for the bag, so my arms can't go in the bag, so I can wear my bag like this. The Hermes is newly starting to do that for their bags, and I love how this look. It looks like a very much like a mini Kelly pochette type of vibes going on there, but in the terms of a handbag, it do comes with the feet that is all gold, yellow gold. And in terms of the hardware, I'm not too sure what the hardware is made up of. It's very much giving the Hermes vibes. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, guys, I'm obsessed. Look inside the bag is suede leather with this, like, not Phoenicia, like this hot pink. What? I'm obsessed. Oh my god, no, this bag is definitely an alternative if you don't want to wait for the Hermes bag. Now this is definitely an alternative, and it is so affordable for a luxurious bag that is, like, if you wanted a branded bag for women, luxurious branded bag for women, that's affordable. Oh my god, and they do come in different colors as well. So I found a new lover other than Stradbury. I find a new lover for handbags. I really love the hardware, guys. It's so beautiful, and I love the pop of color in there. I wish it had more come up to the handle of the bag. The leather is green leather. As you guys don't know, I am a fanatic for green leather. I'm obsessed with green leather because I love how they transition over a period of time, and it do comes with the strap. Now I'm going to go more of a detailed video with la balayage. You could definitely shop this bag on my LTK if you guys want to support me. Now this is the strap. How the strap comes off, it comes up like a belt in way, which I don't like straps that comes like this, like with a belt. I'm not going to use the strap at all, and it do open up exactly like the Kelly, like, oh my god. Now this is a moment. I am definitely gonna go into Hermes and get myself some pink twillies, and wrap around this bag, because this bag is a moment, and I cannot wait to buy more of this brand bags. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful bag. It's very lightweight. It feels really nice on the hand. It tightens by the strap exactly like the Hermes bag, and of course if you want to clip it, you clip it in there. If you don't want to like put the latch on, you clip it in there to close it, or if you just want to have it out, you have it like that, and people actually think you have an Hermes bag. Girl, oh my god, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, hype this video. I really would appreciate it. Most of the stuff, if not all, you can shop over on my LTK, or you could just follow me and subscribe there to see how I style items, to get styling inspiration from it. And yeah, I see you guys on next week's video. Bye from your favorite fashion enthusiast, your style educator, and luxury addict, Kate Deluxe. Bye.